Lancehead Crossbow. The main secret of this crossbow is the torsion drive micro limbs, which can withstand high drawing forces while taking up little space. The Lancehead Crossbow now holds the title of being the most compact crossbow in the market, measuring a mere 4 inches in width. Carbon steel was used to create the micro limbs, making them stronger and more durable. However, that's not everything torsion drive micro limbs have to offer. They deliver smooth shooting and long power strokes while maintaining a relatively light weight. Conventional crossbows, on the other hand, use heavier parts and short power strokes to achieve more speed, creating unnecessary vibration and reducing accuracy. Many hunters who use crossbows will agree that such a device is not easy to maintain. However, Lancehead has thought about this by integrating the U-Tune system into the crossbow. It includes several pocket-sized tools and allows you to change the string and ropes and to fine-tune the crossbow almost anywhere. And last but not least, the safety of the user is also ensured. Unlike most modern crossbows which use brittle and heat-sensitive layers of material, Lancehead crossbows made of rugged, corrosion-resistant steel. This guarantees the hassle-free operation of the weapon in all conditions. The crossbow is also equipped with a safety system that prevents accidental firing. CornerShot. CornerShot's a modification for firearms that was developed in Israel for close combat scenarios. The system features a special rifle or pistol with a mounted camera and a swiveling mechanism. This allows the operator to aim the weapon and shoot from around corners, guided by the image on the screen. The weapon has a folding stock that makes it easy to transport and store, and the camera and swiveling mechanism are easy to operate even in the most stressful situations. Despite all these perks, one of the disadvantages of the system is its cost. Because of its complex electronic design, the device is significantly more expensive than a traditional firearm. Another potential issue of the CornerShot is its limited range. Since the device is designed for close combat, its range is usually limited to 164 feet. This device certainly looks modern, but the idea itself is not exactly new. For example, the Krumloff STG-44 bent barrel attachment, developed by Germany during World War II, was designed for the Sturmgewehr 44 rifle and included a periscope for firing from an angle from a safe position for the shooter. But could the barrel be bent even more? Like by 90 degrees? Mythbusters tested this theory in one of the episodes, and it turned out that not only could the weapon fire, but the force of the shot remained nearly equivalent to that of straight barrels. Stinger. And this double-barrel pistol will easily fit in your pocket. Each barrel is only 3 inches long, making the gun very compact at 5 inches in total length. The gun's also very light, with a total weight of only 0.7 pounds. Despite its small size, the Stinger's quite durable. Its frame and barrels are made of stainless steel. The pistol also features a safety mechanism designed to prevent accidental firing. Although compact, the Stinger's actually a powerful weapon capable of firing 9mm rounds with case lengths ranging from 0.7 to 1.1 inches. Its versatility as a weapon makes it suitable for a range of purposes, including target practice and self-defense. Another feature of the Stinger is its interchangeable barrel system. Bond Arms offers a wide selection of proprietary barrels in different lengths and calibers. This means you can easily customize your gun to suit your needs and preferences. Though it's not the most unusual double-barrel gun in the world, Doppelgok is a gun with 2 barrels and 2 triggers that can only be held sideways. Yes, the way thugs do it. This weapon's essentially a pair of Glock pistols joined at the top edge and with a scope in the middle. It can only be held with 2 hands, one for each gun. Duck's Foot Pistol. Until practical revolver designs were improved in the 1830s, the only way to increase the rate of fire was to fit the gun with multiple barrels. Usually their number was limited to 3, mainly for weight reasons. But then the duck's foot was created. The pistol derived its name from its unique design featuring 4 barrels that diverged sideways. The design gave the pistol a wide and deadly range, making it a very effective weapon for close combat, as it could hit several targets with a single shot. The way the duck's foot worked was very simple. The barrels were bolted to 4 small breeches, which were connected by vents to the priming pan. To load the pistol, each barrel had to be unscrewed and the small chamber in the breech had to be filled with gunpowder. A large lead ball was then placed in the breech, and then the barrel was screwed back on. The process was repeated 4 times. The priming pan was filled with very fine gunpowder, and the pistol had to be shaken well to get the powder into each barrel through the vents. Despite the outdated technology, the duck's foot pistol became an iconic weapon. Today, its replicas are still popular among collectors who appreciate its unique design and historical significance. What if you added even more barrels to the gun? Well, then you'd probably get a 36-barreled Metal Storm machine gun. It can reach a maximum rate of fire of 1.62 million rounds per minute, firing 180 rounds in a 0.01 second burst. In 2007, the U.S. Navy announced that it would buy the Metal Storm grenade variant, but the weapon was never put into action. There are many reasons for this. In addition to legal problems with the patent, the Army complained about obvious shortcomings like difficulty in transportation, inability to quickly change aiming angle, and high cost. DroneDefender. The following invention can be rightly called the weapon of the 21st century. It has no barrel, and it can't even shoot. But nevertheless, the DroneDefender is one of the most effective means of fighting drones. How does it work? The weapon uses various methods, such as jamming radio frequencies or imitating the GPS signal to disrupt the drone's communication and navigation system. The device weighs 15 pounds and has a range of 1.2 miles. The operator only needs to aim at the drone, and DroneDefender will take care of the rest. Actually, drone countermeasures are becoming increasingly important as the use of drones is becoming more widespread. Therefore, manufacturers around the world offer a variety of solutions to this problem. For example, the company Anduril created a full-fledged complex for airspace protection. It features a stationary system with radio transmitters to detect drones as well as their operators. Using the same approach as DroneDefender, the system attempts to disrupt drone communications. If the electronic warfare tool proves useless, combat drones come to the rescue, automatically intercepting and bringing the enemy drone down. Once the drone's been retrieved, the data collected by the enemy can be analyzed to determine the extent of the intelligence gathered in the secured zone. EMG-01B. The way this weapon operates is fundamentally different from the conventional one. Unlike traditional firearms, the EMG-01B uses magnetic fields to accelerate projectiles. This technology allows the weapon to fire up to 8 shots per second with a projectile velocity of more than 148 feet per second. It's worth noting that the EMG-01B is designed to exclusively fire 6x19mm steel shells. The standard electromagnetic gun comes with an 18-round magazine. It also comes with a lithium polymer battery with a charger sold separately. The battery can provide power for over 100 shots before needing to recharge. .612. 612 shotgun stands out thanks to its compact and modular design. The shotgun's loaded from a 6-shot cylinder and uses a trigger to switch rounds, unlike a traditional pump-action shotgun. The shotgun cylinder is designed to be removed, allowing for quick reloading and convenient switching between different types of ammunition. The modular design, in turn, makes it possible to use the shotgun for a variety of purposes, such as home defense, hunting, or breaching doors. 612's revolver mechanism is designed to be compact and doesn't require moving the bolt backwards. For additional safety, the cylinder features a collar system that engages with the barrel, preventing anything from being emitted into the space between the cylinder and the barrel. As for the trigger mechanism, the shotgun fires as fast as you can pull the trigger. Despite the long and rather heavy pull of the trigger, each trigger press rotates the cylinder and engages the entire system to the barrel for final lockup before firing. Natter 7.62. Some gun manufacturers can really surprise you. Take a look at this machine gun mounted on the vehicle. Natter 7.62 was created by Rheinmetall, a company that specializes in remote-controlled weapons for modern combat vehicles. Natter 7.62 was originally designed for use on the roof of vehicles, so the machine gun adds no more than 231 pounds to the roof weight and also employs modular armament kits. All this makes the Natter 7.62 a significant combat upgrade even for unarmored vehicles. The weapon's equipped with the Flex Eye sensor guidance system. An important feature of the system is digital video processing, which allows keeping the target in the operator's focus at all times. Actually, a machine gun designed specifically for mobile units is certainly a great tool, but how would you rate the M61 Vulcan machine gun attached to a conventional vehicle? M61 Vulcan is a 6-barrel heavy machine gun with an extremely high rate of fire. It's capable of firing 6,000 rounds of 20mm ammunition per minute. Apparently, Black Rifle Coffee Company decided to expand the functionality of this machine gun and created the most dangerous Toyota Prius, installing the M61 Vulcan on the roof of the car. It's unclear what this has to do with coffee. There's no answer. Reflex. Introduced in April 2023, Reflex is a compact pistol that combines all the best developments of past years. The pistol can be used with standard 9mm ammunition and has a magazine capacity of 11 or 15 rounds. The key feature is the ability to mount compact holographic sights on the gun. There's also a place for flashlight or laser optics. At first glance, these factors make the weapon much more useful than the traditional Glock, which is one of the most compact handguns for everyday carry at the moment. As the pistol is still relatively new to the market, its effectiveness is yet to be fully tested. It remains to be seen if this firearm will challenge the Glock's dominance, but that assessment will likely come from gun enthusiasts in the US who will test it in the near future. DP-12. Engineers often design mechanisms to be as reliable as possible by incorporating dual components. The logic behind this is simple. If one system fails, there's always a backup. DP-12 double-barreled pump-action shotgun can be considered an embodiment of this principle. The distinctive feature of DP-12 is 2 magazines housing up to 16 rounds of 12-gauge shells. This allows for faster reloading and more shots to be fired before the magazine runs out. Furthermore, DP-12 is outfitted with a trigger mechanism that arms both barrels. This makes the gun more reliable and allows to shoot even if one of the triggers fails. Yes, it fires in alternating fashion. The first pull of the trigger fires the right barrel, while the second pull fires the left barrel. At the same time, the symmetrical design of the shotgun makes it convenient for left-handed shooters. It's important to note, however, that the unique features of the DP-12 come at a price which is significantly higher than most shotguns on the market, and its weight and recoil can be a challenge for some shooters. In addition, the double-barrel design requires twice as much time for maintenance as a traditional single-barrel shotgun. The distinctive appearance of the DP-12 shotgun got the attention of the producers of Terminator Dark Fate movie. The shotgun was showcased in one of the scenes, much to the delight of the weapon's creators, who proudly acknowledged this fact on their official social media page. E-Shotgun. E-Shotgun Coil Gun is another device that uses the power of magnetism to propel metal projectiles. They're made in the form of coin-like discs which fly out of the barrel at high velocity like in traditional firearms. The total weight of the shotgun is about 9 pounds. The manufacturer states that this gun is most effective at ranges from 16 to 49 feet. The firing rate can reach 3,000 rounds per minute. The standard magazine capacity is 50 rounds, each weighing 0.6 ounces. The Electromagnetic E-Shotgun is quiet and produces no smoke or recoil. In addition, the iron round discs that serve as ammo are affordable and readily available, making this type of gun a cost-effective option. It's also worth noting that this type of gun is legal in many regions where firearms may be restricted or prohibited by law. FMG-9. FMG-9 is a folding submachine gun that looks like a James Bond gadget. FMG-9 is made of durable polymer and comes equipped with a foldable stock that transforms the weapon into a small rectangular shape when folded up. The gun can be quickly and easily unfolded by pulling down on the grip, which reveals the barrel and trigger. The gun is designed for 9mm ammunition and can use standard Glock magazines. It shoots about 800 rounds per minute and has a 164-foot range. The gun also features an integrated front grip and sights, making it not only easy to handle but also accurate. Alas, despite its unique design, the FMG-9 was never put into production and remained a prototype. However, you can test it in Warface. Who knows, maybe the increased interest in the unusual gun will encourage the creators to actually produce it. XM25. This is a high-tech grenade launcher developed by Alliant Tech Systems for the U.S. military. XM25 was designed to give soldiers an advantage in combat by providing increased effectiveness and accuracy over conventional grenade launchers. XM25 uses a computerized targeting system based on programmable airburst technology. The system provides the user with real-time updates on the grenade's trajectory and detonation point. The feature ensures that the shooter has the most accurate information to make decisions about when and where to fire. Using a special interface in the scope, the soldier can adjust the range at which the explosion will occur. This makes it possible to attack a target even behind cover. In order to achieve this, one needs to calculate the projectile's trajectory to ensure the detonation happens when it's right above the enemy. XM25 comes with a drawback. It requires specialized training, making it more challenging to use. Nevertheless, XM25 has been used heavily by U.S. Army in combat operations, especially in Afghanistan, where it was reportedly praised for its accuracy and ability to neutralize enemy targets.